Looking for a premium linear switch that delivers a deep, satisfying sound and an ultra-smooth press straight out of the box? Let's talk about the Gateron Oil Kings. These switches are engineered for enthusiasts and daily users who want a top-tier typing experience without the hassle of manual lubing. The purpose of the Oil King is clear: to be a no-compromise, pre-lubed linear switch that excels in both gaming and long typing sessions. Its standout feature is undoubtedly its acoustic profile. Thanks to the nylon top and unique ink-style black bottom housing combined with a palm stem, each keystroke produces a remarkably deep, low-pitched thok that feels premium and muted. This is paired with a wonderfully smooth linear feel, driven by a 20mm long spring. With a 55-gram actuation and an 80-gram bottom out, you get a press that's substantial and crisp, not fatiguing, making it fantastic for everything from rapid game commands to all-day office work. Practically, the upgrades are significant. The newly thickened 3.0 pins make hot swapping more secure and worry-free, drastically reducing the chance of bent pins. They're 5-pin switches for maximum PCB stability, but you can clip the extra plastic legs for 3-pin boards. Being factory pre-lubed is a huge pro, eliminating spring ping and providing buttery smoothness immediately. The gold-plated contacts promise long-term reliability up to 60 million keystrokes. In terms of real-world use, the typing experience is consistently smooth and deeply sonorous. The set of 110 pieces is a major pro, covering any full-size or tankulus board with spares. For cons, the heavier bottom-out force might feel a bit much for some light-touch typists, and they are not compatible with optical or low-profile keyboards. Compared to other popular linear switches, the Oil Kings stand out for their out-of-the-box smoothness and distinctive deep sound signature, often saving you the time and inconsistency of hand lubing. A quick tip: if your keyboard only has 3-pin hot swap sockets, just carefully clip the 2 plastic alignment legs on each switch with flush cutters before installation. Overall, the Gateron Oil King is a superb complete package for anyone seeking a premium, thocky, and smooth linear switch ready to perform straight from the package. They deliver a high-end tactile and auditory experience that truly elevates your keyboard. Thanks for watching.